Hello everyone, welcome to day 9, the grand finale on AI tools during this Navaratri that we started with an intention of introducing 9 tools on 9 days. So today we will summarize major LLMs including Claude, Perplexity, Gemini and Copilot, since ChatGPT is most commonly used by all of you. I'm sure you might have also explored all these tools, but let's quickly take one or two examples and explore these tools. Let's start with Claude. As all of you know, you log into this Claude and this is the home screen that is available. By looking at the screen, you know that you can use it to learn any of the case study you can learn, and you can learn any of the educational materials, or prepare for exam, interview. These are all the predefined templates available. You can write a lot of things. I don't want to get into all this because you can easily go through this. Now, the basic usage of each of the tools are defined for something else, but almost all LLMs give you comparatively decent answers. But let's say for Claude, it is actually called Master of Summarization and Deep Reading. For example, if you really want to upload a research paper and then want to get the summary of the research paper based on the user level, this can be used. Let's take an example now. I want to summarize a research paper. Let's see. So I want to summarize. Let's say I want to upload the research paper. This research paper into a two-page study guide for final year undergraduate. So what is a paper? We'll quickly see. I think Attention is All You Need is one of the most famous research paper. Let's see what Claude will give us as the answer. See, because study guide, Attention is All You Need. It's given us the research review, and what are the research objectives, what are the motivations and background and architecture and methods, and so training details. So all these things, in the final results also it is displaying. Means if you have a research paper and if you're finding it difficult, or even otherwise if you want to find the summary, this tool can be very useful, because this does the deep reading of content that you upload. So this is Claude for you. Since the paper is having multiple pages, so that's why it's taking more time and giving you the more summary on this, right? Okay, so this is Claude for you. You can explore so many other things which can be useful to you. The next tool is called Perplexity. If you are not aware, please make sure if you have an Airtel connection. I think Airtel is providing you a 12 months subscription for free. You can just download the Airtel Thanks app and Airtel app, and you can just go to OTTs and rewards. There you can actually enable this and link it to your email. The Perplexity is actually a real-time knowledge finder. It's just an app. I can say it can whatever the Google search you have now, this is more smarter search. With citation, it produces the result. And even the Perplexity, you have a lot of options, like you can use it for searching, and you can use it for deep research. If you have any topic, even this also can be used for deep research, and you can create a lot of labs here, lab projects and lab programs. You can definitely create and trace it, get the step-by-step procedure to get the output, and all those things are possible here. And more interestingly, it has got more power by specific. You can specify, instead of directly giving the queries or prompts, you can specify. If it is based on academic papers, you can choose academics, you can choose finance, you can choose a lot of things. You can also upload your if you have some financial documents, or if you have some lot of documents, and you can upload it to your Google Drive and ask it to summarize and give the prompt to get the desired output. And today we will check Perplexity for something else. So I want to find the research paper, let's say on 6C communication, focusing on security protocols, and summarize the key findings and provide citations in IEEE format. So let's see what does it do. See, as I told you, this actually gives the citations along with from where it is taking the information and the citation it produces. That is a very specific characteristic of the Perplexity. So it is giving you the content that is requested for 6G communication, mainly focusing on security protocol, and it has also given you the IEEE style references that you wanted, right? So after that, it is asking you some more prompts, kind of a template now. If you really want to list top authors and institutions researching 6G security, you can just click it and you will get the answer. This is what I can call is Perplexity is like the real-time knowledge finder. Okay, yeah. So the next tool we will see is Google Gemini. So the Google Gemini is actually a creative explainer, and it is also a multimodal assistant. So there are so many tools which are available here. You can use it as a guided learning or deep research, or you can also create images. And I think our first episode was on Canvas probably. So you can also use this document handling feature using this Canvas. You can embed this. I think create images is very popular in social media, and I don't want to touch that now. Let us see the Google Gemini. We will use it for some learning. Let's say I want to use it. So explain how a simple feed-forward neural network works to classify handwritten digits, and create a Python example using TensorFlow, and explain each step for undergraduates, right? So it directly give the prompt. So this collects information from a lot of resources and gives you a comprehensive material. So this is explained in a very simple terms, because it is I have asked for it, so to explain it to a undergrad student, this is enough. And it has also given you a Python code, and it has given with the comment line so that anybody can easily understand, and there's a step-by-step explanation for undergrads also. So this Gemini also is another very useful tool, and the power of this Gemini is more. I expected to explore the objective of this the session is to give you that it is not only the ChatGPT. There are so many other LLMs that you have to explore. And at last we'll go to the Microsoft Copilot. You can just go to copilot.microsoft.com, and you have a lot of things to do. As you can see here, you create an image, you can write your drafts, or you can improve the writing. In case if you give a content and if you ask, you can upload a document and you can enhance the writing. You can design a logo as well, and yeah, of course, for social media you can create memes, and you can improve communication, write script. There are so many. You can get advice for any of your issues, and there are so many things that you can do. And it is actually for productivity, right? And in case if you really want to write an email, I think we are going to take that example. And if a student is expecting a letter of recommendation from a professor, and it will write a polite email to the professor requesting for a letter of recommendation for a summer internship. So let's see how beautifully this the Copilot writes. See, with the subject and dear professor, I hope this this is given you a beautiful email, right? So if you want you can say write concise version of this. So if you really want to create a concise version of this, quickly it has concised this the above email to this, right? So like this, you have a lot of things that can be done using the Copilot as well. If you want to create an image, you can create an image of, or create a logo. Let's see, create a logo for my let's say initiative where I teach AI tools, and I want to build a website for the same. Let the logo be minimalist and reflective. Let's see. I'm asking it to create a logo. It's a very generic prompt. You can also give, you can suggest the name, and you can do so many things. You can suggest the name for the logo. You can suggest the color. You can see what are the elements you want in the logo. If you really are doing a logo on AI tools, you can say add some of the elements, like the sense of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. You should reflect such thing, because I'm going to do the video on these tools, so reflect the content. So this is a very simple logo, AI tools. So look at the way it has given a reflection we call the effect, and it is very simple but very elegant logo. So like this, you have so many things to do using the Copilot as well, right? If you want to try something else, let's say if you have to create an image, so let's create image where a musician is performing in front of a huge crowd, and the audience is enjoying the concert. So let's see, I've asked it to create an image where a musician is performing in front of a huge crowd and the audience is enjoying the concert. So let's see the Copilot, what does it generate? So as I told you, Copilot is productivity booster, right? So it is generating. Look how beautifully it does, and the crowd is actually enjoying the concert. The hands are in the air, and the performer is performing for them, and that's how this Copilot generates the image. You can also use it for creating the Python codes or any of the programming language problems you can solve using this. I think everything is just right in front of you. The idea was to summarize these tools for you so that you can use it for different purposes. To summarize, I think Claude is a deep reader. If you give any research content, the complex concepts, it will definitely go through it and it will give you a deep review on that. And Perplexity is a research librarian. So if you give any topic, it will do the research and will give you a lot of citations. And it's very real time. Any recent topics you can research. And Gemini is a kind of an explainer. If you give some content, it will explain with a lot of using creativity. And it also supports the multimodal. It's a multimodal assistant. And the last one, the Copilot, is actually productivity booster. You can create email, respond to an email, and you can use it for drafting and other applications, such as you can design logos and you can create images. Not that others won't do all this, they also do it, but I think each one of them are good and in their own terms, and they have got limitations as well. So I think I request all of you to explore not just ChatGPT, other LLMs also, and find out which suits the best, satisfying your requirements. This has been a great journey of 9 days. I thank you all of you for support, and hope you enjoyed watching these videos and got to know at least a delta X of it. And I would like to place my gratitude to RNS Institute of Technology for supporting me on this. Thank you so much, and happy Navaratri, happy Dasara to all of you. Stay blessed. Looking forward to hear from you.